morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my Sunday speed clean. I really hope that this video motivates you and gets you in the mood for cleaning up. I also hope the sun's shining and you've got gorgeous weather, and let's just get stuck into our clean. So what I'm going to use in today's clean is the Marks & Spencer's eco-friendly antibacterial spray. It's a multi-purpose surface cleaner and it's 90p a bottle, and you only need a little tiny bit of it and it works wonders. I'm also using a e-cloth to clean the surfaces. And here I'm burning one of my favourite wax melts. It's the scent Armani C, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I always get lots and lots of compliments on this scent when people come into the house, so it's one of my favourite wax melts to burn. And you can find my Etsy store linked below in the description box. I have a new limited edition box set available today, and I think there's 12 available, so grab them while you can because they're all limited edition scents that I've not featured in my Etsy store before, so I'm sure you'll love all them ones. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stay together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you, if you think about me, I'll be thinking this through. If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace.
just like a dream. Yeah, you and me. Can't help I feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
If you're new to my channel and this is the first time that you've seen one of my cleaning videos, thanks for stopping by and watching, and let me introduce you to my favourite cleaning gadget ever. It is the Aircraft Power Glide. This floor cleaner is absolutely outstanding. It takes minimal effort. As you can see, I've just used warm water in it today for today's clean, but you can put any cleaner you want to put in the Power Glide. It doesn't have to be any special cleaner. You can put soft flora in, you can put method floor cleaner, any type of disinfectant. You can even put glass cleaner on the floor and use the buffer to get a really nice shine. But this is the only cleaner that is basically effortless. It takes nothing. It's lightweight, it glides, it moves, it does everything for you, and it makes your floors super clean. I fold the pole down because the pole is extendable, and I pop it on charge, and that's all I need to do. I charge it, I'd say, every third day, and I do the whole of my house with it, and it's just an effortless cleaner. You'll see the pads at the end of this video when I finish cleaning, and my floors are clean daily, but it still manages to pick up all the dirt out of the floor. It's definitely my favourite cleaning gadget to use.
If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, yeah. This is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. You think it was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight.
And that's it, everyone. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video and it's motivated you and inspired you. I thought I would finish off and let you see all the pooches. It's like when I finish cleaning up, honestly, the dogs go wild. It's like they're bored watching me clean, and then they're just full of beans. The minute I sit on the rug, you'll see them bombard me, and it means it's playtime because Mum's finished cleaning up and now we're going to have some fun. Oh, I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a fabulous day, whatever you are doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.